Hi, today we are going to look how to weight loss with the help of yoga asanas. So before starting with the yoga asanas, you have to do some warm up. You can do 10 to 12 Surya Namaskar so you can warm up your body and prepare for the asanas. First asana is Naukasana, which is called as boat pose also. This is very good for your core strengthening, but who have back pain, don't do this asana. Naukasana is very good to lose your belly fat, and this will improve your core strength, which help in improving the other asanas. We are starting with Naukasana. So for that, first sit and keep your legs straight. Keep your spine straight, hands at knees. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, very slowly lift your legs. Drop your upper body. Create a boat in your body. Keep your core tight in this and keep breathing. Beginner can hold this for 10 to 12 seconds and you can extend it till 30 seconds. Then very slowly release this asana and get back to normal position. You can repeat Naukasana for 4 to 5 times for better result. Now the second asana is Santulanasana, which is called as plank pose also. So this is very good asana for the weight loss and you can do this 3-4 times. Now let's start with Santulanasana. So for that, take a cat pose, drop your hands and knees on floor. Now exhale and lift your knees, shift your legs slightly backward, keep your body parallel to the floor, push your hands against the floor so you can create good pressure on your core. Beginner can hold this pose for 30 seconds and with the practice you can extend it till 2 to 3 minutes. After completing, drop your knees down and go in Vajrasana. Now the third asana is Setu Bandhasana, which is called as bridge pose also. This is very good to improve your back strength. Now we are starting with Setu Bandhasana. So for that, you have to lie down on your back, fold your legs, keep a shoulder width distance in your legs, place your hands around your hip. Now press your hands and legs against the floor. Inhale and push your hip upward. Squeeze your hip totally. Hold this pose for 10 to 12 seconds. Then exhale and get back to normal position. You can repeat this pose for 4 to 5 times. Now the fourth asana is upward facing dog. This is very good asana to improve your hand strength and you can improve your push-up with this. Now let's start with upward facing dog. For that, first take a plank pose. Keep your core tight. Exhale, go down like a push-up. Inhale and lift your upper body. Try to look at the ceiling. Push your chin upward. Hold this pose for 8 to 10 seconds and you can extend till 20 seconds. Then slowly go down again and push your upper body. Drop your knees down and go in Vajrasana. Now the fifth asana is Dhanurasana, which is called as bow pose also. This is very good to improve your back flexibility and to remove belly fat. So let's start with Dhanurasana. For that, you have to lie down on your stomach. Now fold your legs. Hold your toes with the hands. Properly hold it. Inhale and push your legs behind. Lift your upper body with it and try to pull your legs upward as much as possible. Push your chin up. Keep breathing. Hold this pose for 15 to 20 seconds. Focus on your lower back. Then very slowly release your upper body down, release your legs down and release your legs. Dhanurasana is very good for weight loss, but keep in mind if you have a severe back pain, then don't perform the Dhanurasana. Now the sixth asana is Chakrasana, which is called as wheel pose also. So wheel pose is very good to improve your back strength and flexibility. So let's start with Chakrasana. Firstly, lie down on your back in Shavasana. Fold your legs. Keep shoulder width distance in legs. Now slowly reverse your hands. Keep it around your ears. Place your hands properly. Inhale. Put pressure on your hands and legs. And lift your whole body. Now slowly walk with your hands towards your legs. Keep your core tight and squeeze your hips. Keep breathing while doing this. You can hold this pose for 20 to 25 seconds. This will improve your back strength, hand strength and back flexibility. Then very slowly bend your elbows and come down. Again, keep your legs straight and relax. Seventh asana is Trikonasana, which is called as triangle pose also. This asana is very good to improve your leg flexibility and improve your leg strength to weight loss. Let's start with Trikonasana. To perform it better, you can use yoga block. So firstly, stand in back of the mat. Keep your left leg forward and keep a yoga block around your left feet. Now spread your hands. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, drop your left hand on that yoga block. Raise your right hand up and keep looking at your right hand. In this, you have to keep your left leg fully straight without bending your knee and push your hips slightly backward. Keep focusing on your hand and keep breathing. Hold this pose for at least 25 to 30 seconds. Then very slowly raise your hands and get back to normal position. You have to perform Trikonasana with the other side also. So for that, again stand on the other side of the mat. Keep your right leg forward. Place the yoga block around your feet. Spread your both hands. Again take deep inhale. Exhale, drop your right hand on yoga block. Keep looking at your left hand and hold this pose for again 25 to 30 seconds and release it. Now the eighth asana is Veerbhadrasana, which is called as warrior pose also. So this is very good for strength building in your lower body. So let's start with Veerbhadrasana. For that, you have to stand in back of the mat. Take a deep inhale. Exhale it fully. Keep your left leg forward. Spread your hands. Exhale and bend in your left knee. Go down as much as possible. Make sure your knee is not passing your toe. Hold this pose. Keep breathing. Slowly release this pose. Perform Veerbhadrasana with other leg also. So again for that, stand in back of the mat. Keep your right leg forward. Spread your hands. Now exhale, bend in your right knee, go down. Again make sure your knee is not passing your toe. Keep your core tight while doing this. Hold this pose again for 25 to 30 seconds. And very slowly again get back to your normal position. This will improve your leg strength, which is causing the weight loss. We have seen these 8 asanas for weight loss. You can perform this all asanas 4 to 5 times in a session to get the results of weight loss. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.